Yo, big up Kimpa'stv. Jaja, Kimpa'stv. Yeah, I got it. I will print up at the library. And then you got the library and then it's part.
We go to the book room and then we come back to the accounts part, you know, so.
Oh, for see the lady.
Yeah. But I don't know if you did want to see the youth.
Kevin, big up yourself, as if college student, you see the free.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright, that is it. Yeah, so it's not about going out and enjoying self alone or party or good clothes. It's about sending the youth them to colleges. I did say that in one of my TikTok video them. Yeah, man. All about sending the youth them to colleges. That is big niche. Yes, man. Honestly, YouTube, it's been a journey. Yeah, man. My son now is going to college. That's my last child. Yeah, man. And my daughter is also going to college in Canada. Yeah, man. She was also here for the holiday. Yes, man. My daughter looking lovely. Yeah, man. Going to college over Canada. Yes, man. I know my son is going to college in Jamaica. Yeah, man. You know the thing set. My orders have a grind. Yeah, man, YouTube, what's up? Kimpa is here. Yeah, man, you know, so we're up on a mission. Yeah, man, but even though you guys haven't seen me for a while, haven't posted anything for a while, yeah, man, that is because I'm working on a new camera. Yeah, man, YouTube, I work on a new camera. Yeah, man, you know, I want the best quality, and that is why I haven't been posting any videos. Yeah, man, but see, this video, it's special. Yeah, man, so go ahead, give it a watch, give it a like. Yes, man, Kimpa'stv, you know, so big 17, my boy. How it feel for be 17, my boy?
I feel like I'm getting closer to adulthood. No, it feels the same, honestly.
Alright. Big 17, come look some pizza. Yeah, man, not fussy.
Vegans in contact, man.
Pizza face.
Yeah, man.
Watch yourself, I'm gonna see the face and I know it's the doll. I'm representing for that big bad event. I'm gonna say August 18, all roads lead to Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center. Reminisce Entertainment presents Reminisce Brunch. So more all of the nice clean girl, I'm gonna come out well dolly down. And the man them wanna put on a good clothes and come out with a pocket fat, because this is not a normal event. But artists like Ja Vinci are gonna there. So I know it go. And the event is hosted by yours truly. Someone the girl them come out. When they don't know, say regular pre-sold at $2,500, VIP at $5,000. At the gate, regular $3,500, VIP $6,000. I want to know is a food inclusive, so they can walk with the stomach as.
Even I don't know Javin to the singer presenter, you don't know I present for Reminisce Entertainment, presents a thing called Reminisce Brunch. You don't know in August 18th in All Road Leeds, you don't know right at Ronnie Williams Center. You hear me I say, you don't know that at 36 Hope Road. You understand? Whole a big bad sound night town, Triple X I got there, Unknown I got there, Sound Government I got there, you know, a live performance by yours truly, Javin to the world singer, alongside ZJ Liquid. So they make that one a date and double later, August 18th, what we say, clear me. I tell you some stick to me dog there.
felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and murder.
Yeah man, if you make it this far to the video, yeah man, this is the part where I'll be promoting, yeah man, some bad party keep in the summer. Yeah man, some bad party keep in the summer. And you know, say from bad party keep, yeah man, the swag them always come out. Yeah man, as a fashion god myself, yeah man, I love to highlight some of the baddest swag what me see. Yeah man, some of the parties I were there and some I wasn't. Yeah man, but these are some of the maddest fashion we see from both male and female in the month of August, with some of the baddest party them. Yeah man, Jamaicans are always winning with fashion, you know them the best. Yeah man, we are the best. That is it, Kimpa said that. Yes man, enjoy these pictures. That is it. Now this is some of the baddest party that we'll be keeping, yeah man, for the rest of the year, the coming months and for the rest of the year. These are some of the baddest party, yeah man, and from Kimpa promoted, that mean I'll be there. Yes man, see you there.